And today really is not a day to be rushing around. Any little amount of freezing rain, even just a glaze on the roads, is going to lead to some difficult travel conditions. Here's a breakdown of the timing on this severe weather alert day. Things will get started near Pittsburgh as we draw closer to, let's say, 9 at 10 o'clock this morning. That window for freezing rain is going to be shrinking as the warm air moves in a little bit faster. So that's a little bit of good news. But those of you north and east, it stays freezing rain for the better part of the day, lasting through about 8, 9 o'clock tonight. Could be talking about some of that freezing rain starting to accumulate on tree limbs, weighing them down. Could lead to some obviously issues on the roads, but also some power outages as well. And even once this wintry precipitation shuts off, still slick and icy roads can be expected straight through early tomorrow morning. And that's how long the ice storm warning will be in effect. That includes the higher terrain of Westmoreland County. So traveling along the turnpike, heading up towards Indiana, Armstrong counties, also Clarion and Franklin. So along I-80 and 422, travel is going to be difficult for you as we work through the day closer to Allegheny County along I-79, I-70, 376 as well. It's a winter weather advisory. That one has a little bit of a shorter window that will be expiring later on today. Quiet right now, just chilly, 30 degrees, but it feels like 24. We have the clouds. We'll wait on the moisture that we'll be getting here a little later on this morning. So we start off with that period of freezing rain. Again, should be short-lived around Allegheny County. It's north and east that you stay ice for longer. As you go into the afternoon, temperatures will spike into the upper 40s, so you can see why. We see that quick change over to rain, breezy as well. As we check out your 4-day plus 4 more forecast, we could see more travel disruptions Sunday, primarily just from rain, so we can handle that. But Monday, temperatures are going to be dropping throughout the day. Could see a little bit of light snow as well. The wind picking up too, so that is an impact day for us. That's really another day that maybe you want to circle if you have travel plans. And then heading into the final days of the year, start of 2026. It's going to be colder. Temperatures dropping back into the 20s and 30s. Just how much ice can you see? Again, just even a glaze could be problematic, especially on bridges and overpasses at the onset around Pittsburgh. But again, along 422 between Butler, Kittanning, Indiana, talking about maybe up to 1/10 of an inch of ice. Similar story into the Laurel Highlands. Higher amounts, though, as you get north and east, traveling along I-80, could be speaking about anywhere from 1/4 to maybe even 4/10 of an inch of ice. That's a lot of weight on some tree limbs and power lines. Again, if you're off to work this morning, the morning commute looks to be okay. It's as you look past about 9, 10 o'clock, then that's when things are going to start to get a little bit hairier. The onset of that rain and freezing rain as well. You can see that pink, that's the freezing rain, lasting a bit longer and really more widespread as we go into the afternoon. Really the heart of this ice storm and rain event will be hitting during the afternoon. So certainly that's going to be a time to avoid being out on the roads. Activity will begin to taper off and shut down as we look past 8 o'clock this evening. Quieter tomorrow, so an easier day to get around western Pennsylvania. We have rain chances, a high of almost 60 on Sunday. Everything begins to change, though, Monday morning as temperatures will be dropping. Eventually, that rain changing over to snow. Could be talking about some light accumulations, but it's going to be that drop in temperature that's really going to be noticeable as we go through that impact day on Monday.